In today's video I'm going to show you how to create drop shadow in Figma. First what you need to do is add an element to apply drop shadow to. You can create a shape, or you can select existing element such as text, frame, or another shape. With your element selected, go to the right hand sidebar in the design tab and scroll down to the effect section. Click on the plus icon next to effect, so add new effect, and by default drop shadow effect is usually added. If not, click on drop down menu in effect settings and select drop shadow. Click on next to drop shadow to open settings, and this control position of shadow relative object like X value moves shadow left or right, and Y value moves shadow up or down. You can adjust blur to soften or sharpen shadow edges. Spread control size of shadow. Higher spread makes shadow larger and more pronounced. You can change color of shadow by clicking on the color box. You can choose any color including black for traditional shadow or something more creative. Also you can adjust transparency of shadow, set it to 100% for solid shadow, or lower it for more subtle effect. Optionally apply blending mode to your multiply or overlay to achieve specific visual effects. After resetting a shadow, you can further tweak any of parameters until you achieve desired effect.